What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you a great functionality right now, okay, and that is that if I want this button to be clicked, and if someone clicks this button, he should be taken down to this page and he should see this page right here. Okay, so how this is going to work, okay, let me show you. What I have to do, I have to just click here and I want to go to this section right here. I want to click edit section, okay, and right now I want to come here to advanced. And now I have to go to CSS ID. So I want to make add an ID. Okay, so this is going to be ABOUT. Okay, and now what I have to do, I have to just hit save. So this ID is right here. Okay, and now what I want to do is that I want to come here and I want to click this about me button. Okay, and here you have to write here hash, and then you have to write ABOUT. Okay, and now what do you have to do? You have to just hit save and you are done. Now what you have to do, you have to open up this website, and now you're gonna see how this is gonna look. Okay, so let's wait for this website to load, and when it is loaded, I'll show you how this is gonna look. Here you go. You can see we have our about me. If I just click this, it is taking me down to about me section. So when we will add some more sections to right here, then you can see this about me is gonna appear right here. So I'm just gonna go down this size. Now let's see, let's refresh this page, and once I click this, you can see that it is taking me down below and this about me is coming. So this is how it works. Okay, so thanks a lot, guys, for watching this. In the next video, we're going to add a new section, and that is going to be experiences, education, and a little bit more. And then I want to add a call to action or a form, contact form, where people can hire me. Okay, so thanks a lot, guys, and goodbye.